Pahiram po ng 20 minutes ang inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome.
Yes!
She was one of the dancing queens of the 90s. Night, ako sa please welcome Rica Pera.
Medyo ano naman, parang thunders.
Love team mo noon, si Red Sternberg. Naging kayo ba si Red?
Yeah, for a day.
Paano?
Baka magaling siya rin sa...
Bakit for a day?
Batang-bata pa kasi ako noon. And I could feel like my family didn't really like.
Okay.
Not for any reason.
Basta hindi lang. Oo.
Siguro kasi ang bata ko pa nga. And they maybe no, ang duda ko lang, they felt that Red was already a bit mature for me. Kasi ako sobrang bata. So, parang natakot ako. The next day, binawi ko. As in, ako din parang, nakakahiya. Ba't ba umuo? Binawi ko. I think of all my relationships, doon ako pinaka-natuto. Kasi malalim talaga yung mga pinagsamahan namin at yun yung lahat ng nangyari sa buhay namin. But
So, ano nga yun?
hindi ko katanaw. No, but, okay. We existed and functioned like a couple talaga. And there were talks of like, parang hindi naman diretso, pero na magsasettle down together. Ganyan. Pero ano lang, like any other couple, ganun lang siya. Na maiisip mo na pwedeng mangyari ito. Pero he never naman promised. I never naman really said na I wanted this. It was just something that we entertained. It never got to that point, and we never labeled our relationship. But it was very, very good naman what we had together. Kaya nga nagpapasalamat ako lang social media, no? Ako na lang napapanood sa akin. Yung mga anak ko, share.
Viral. Naalala ko lang ito, dahil nilalaro ko ito. Noong
Diba?
batang-bata pa.
I know.
Sa mga kalsada ng Borongan Eastern Samar. Pero siyempre, iba pa noon, may pilantek yung pagano'n ka. Ilan ang ex mong artista?
Hindi nakabilang ito. Tatlo.
Sino-sino?
Si Wawi, si Bernard Bojo.
Oh! Ilan ang binasid mong artista?
Hindi ko naman binabilang.
Lights on or lights off?
Sound off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Anytime, basta wala yung mga bata. Tulog ang mga bata.
Complete this statement. At 43, I am...
More sure of myself.
Oh!
What made you to be the person that you are today? Like this learned kind of man and who's very good in talking to other people and witty and knowledgeable. Why do you think you're like that? Diba? Where is that coming from? I might go to La Union soon. I don't have like summer plans, but more like I'm planning to do an overlanding setup for like buy a car that would enable us to do an overlanding setup and we'll attempt Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao through a car and Roro. Yan. I was very nervous. Akala ko mahihirapan ako. Pero I don't know, Tito Boy kasi so when he talks to you, it feels like he's just talking to you in his living room. So parang nakalma ako. Mondays through Fridays, 4:40 p.m. you can watch Fast Talk with Tito Boy Abunda. I was so happy to be a part of this show, and I'm pretty sure that you'll watch a lot of other guests who will share so much about themselves also every day here on GMA 7.
Anytime, anyone, anyhow. Halika manood at sumigaw. Anywhere in the world, everybody in the house. Click and subscribe now. You know.